Hello kids. Kids, still are you counting on fingers? Then come on. Let's learn single digit multiplication in just 30 minutes. Then what is multiplication? So kids, multiplication means repeated addition. How? I will show you. See. If you have 5 groups of 3 balls in each group, I will show you. See, this is one group. Okay, this is second group. This is third group, and this is fourth group, and this is fifth group. See, there are 5 groups of 3 balls in each group. 3 orange balls in first group, 3 blue balls in second group, 3 brown balls in third group, 3 green balls in fourth group, and 3 black balls in fifth group. You have to count all these balls in all together. Okay, so how you count? Still you are counting like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right? So it is time consuming process, and we don't have so much time in our exam. We have to do a lot of things, right? So for this purpose we are going to learn multiplication in just 30 minutes. Okay, so multiplication means repeated addition. Like, see, 3 ball in each group, so 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So when you are going to add 3 into 3 into 3, it is very time consuming. So we learn multiplication today. See, how many groups there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and same number of balls in each group. So in such a cases we are do multiplication like 3 multiplied by 5. Okay, so for this purpose you have to learn at least table from 1 to 9, and it is very easy. So 3 into 5 or 3 multiplied by 5. So you have to learn the table from 1 to 9, then count table of 5 up to 3, or you can count table of 3 up to 5. So I am going to count the table. I am going to recite the table of 5. Okay, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, and 5 threes are 15. So there are 15 balls. See, our addition, when a minute before we count one by one ball, at that time our answer is 15. That means our answer is correct. Okay, so let's learn multiplication and learn it very easy, in a very easy way. Wait, kids, let's learn, before starting actual working, let's learn few things about multiplication. Okay, see, multiplication helps us to find total quickly, right? It is much faster than repeated addition. We all know multiplication is a repeated addition, but repeated addition method is time consuming. So multiplication is much faster than repeated addition. For this, just learn tables from 1 to 9 to improve your speed. Okay, start with easy multiplication sums, means start with easy numbers and practice it every day. Okay, so let's try some examples. See, our first sum is 2 multiplied by 5. So as I said, you can recite the table of 2, or you can recite the table of 5 also. So I am going to recite the table of 5. 5 twos are 10. That means our answer is 10, right? Now our second example is, see, if you recite the table of 2, answer is the same. 2 5s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Right? Let's start second example. Our second example is 2 multiplied by 3. Okay. So always try to recite the table of second number like this 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 2 multiplied by 3, answer is 6. Now our third sum is 4 multiplied by 4. So let's recite the table of 4. There is no other option because same digits have same. Both digits have same. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 16, 4 3s are 12, and 4 3s are 16. Right? Now our fourth example is 6 multiplied by 2. So let's recite the table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Isn't it very easy? Our fifth example is 3 multiplied by 7. So let's recite the table of 3 or 7. I am going to recite the table of 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. Our answer is 21. Right? Now kids, our last sum of single digit is 5 multiplied by 8. So for this purpose, I am going to recite the table of 8. See, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40. 4 0 40. Right? Now I am going to show you if I recite the table of 5, answer is same. See, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 8, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, and 5 8s are 40. Okay? Now let's try some more examples. Kids, now let's learn horizontal multiplication. It is also single digit and it is also very easy. Okay? Kids, always remember